welcome to yet another edition of the Film Geeks podcast.
There's another cookie cutter horror show produced by Blumhouse that we should be talking about right now.
Yes, we should be talking about this, and
so that others don't
damn it,
have to.
I had to break my rule because my rule is of 20-minute rule. That is, if I have to watch something, I will give it 20 minutes of my time. If I'm hooked enough, then I'll continue with it. Otherwise, I won't. And that show is Betal, which is based in a remote village that serves as the battleground between the British Indian Army officer Betal and his battalion of zombie redcoats, and they go up against the Indian special ops. That is basically Vicky Kaushal chhod diya. Abhi this fellow, what's his name?
Vineet Singh.
Vineet Kumar Singh has picked up Vicky Kaushal's job. Now, which police force is commanded by, or which special ops force is commanded by the businessman, I don't know. But whatever, the series is written and directed by Patrick Graham, who should just quit, and co-directed by Nikhil Mahajan, who should find something else to do. It's produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, who should stay the fuck away from Netflix. And this web series stars Suchitra Pillai, who also should find it. She has been trying for 20 years to become an actress. Usse nahi ho raha hai. Everyone remembers her from like the bad girlfriend from Dil Chahta Hai.
Yes.
No one gives a fuck about your career, man. Quit. Parjania's uncle also stars Jitendra Joshi, Ahana Kumra, who's a fantastic actress, and
But wasted in this.
Like, now, Betal was released on Netflix, making it the third collaboration between the production and Netflix, completely destroying Netflix's Indian credibility. Now, I watched the first episode, 1.5 episodes, and it is literally one of the stupidest premises I have ever come across, in the sense that I have a very low bar for horror. I love horror. It is my favorite genre by far. I will watch the stupidest horror film also. However, it has to be well executed. This is some next level bullshit which is happening in this fucking show. Who has watched the maximum amount of episode, and from there we'll go in a descending order?
I watched 2 episodes. I watched 2. Anir has watched 3.
Anir, let's start with Anir.
It is literally the shittiest show that I've seen, not just this year, but in the last 10 years. And that I've seen some shitty shows, and you'll agree with me on this one. I have seen some shitty shows. I don't care about that. But this actually literally takes a cake. This so bad. The casting is bad. The direction is bad. The sets are horrible. The zombies are not well thought out. Like, what kind of zombie? Okay, like, for example, there's 2 types of zombies. One they have in the house, which has like hollowed white eyes. Okay. And the ones that are out in the field that have red eyes, that glow for no reason. Then you have these zombies that are hungry.
There is an actual scene where they say, this is for Jallianwala Bagh, and they shoot down a horde of zombies.
Fuck it, whatever, man. I don't give a shit. Okay? This is actually there. Okay. We have the zombies. Now we have seen zombies and we know they are zombies. Okay. But these zombies are literally climbing the walls like Spider-Man. Like Arindam said, they're climbing the walls like Spider-Man. Banna kya chahte ho tum? Karna kya chahte ho tum? What are these creatures supposed to be in the first place? Like, I got so irritated when I watched that. Okay, now literally look at this scene. You have this scene where there's this girl who apparently I have not watched that. I'm not going to watch it anymore. There's a scene where this girl is being targeted by the zombies inside this house. There's one that's climbing the walls upstairs.
Why the fuck is the family there? Why is the family there in the first place? Muhurat ho gaya na, tum log niklo.
No, that is very well done. One that I like, because he's a government servant who brought his family ki dekh main kya karta hu. This stuff that you actually see on field, family laake dikhata hai ki dekh main ye karta hu. Hota hai. But you are basically mass murdering people. He brings in that. His daughter
You're doing that.
Katikar ko dekh, cast Katikar just to give galis. Because Netflix mein Secret Game season 1 mein chala tha.
By the way, this is such a sympathetic character. Katikar was such a sympathetic character. Why would you cast him in a bad role, man?
Because Netflix को लगता है कि गाड़ी, Netflix को लगता है कि भोसड़ी का बोल देगा, मदरचोद बोल देगा, खत्म. Ahana Kumra, who was in one.
Why did they give her that? Wait. Let me complete. Okay, there's one zombie who is up in the ceiling. Okay, literally up on the ceiling, turning his head, very exorcist type. Okay, and then you have another zombie who is below the girl's bed. And then they're shouting. they're shouting, okay, you would assume that the girl is done for. Hell no. The girl is not even like, they are not even grabbing the girl, okay? The girl is like, hato mere se dur hato. Like, what happened in that? There's a cut scene, but what happened in that cut scene where these zombies are so good yet so dumb that between the two of them, actually there are three of them, the third one turns up from nowhere, that they can't even grab onto this girl. And these are not like slow zombies, but like
See, okay,
these are fast zombies.
How bad the zombies are. First scene mein, when they are introduced in the tunnel, they are running, and then
despicable.
Yeah, and then they show they can climb walls. Or a fight sequence mein, they show that they are slow zombies.
No, hold on. At the end of the first episode, they are holding positions. They are holding positions. War like,
and they are muskets. They are musket shooting zombies.
Which actually can destroy vehicles for some reason. Okay.
Yeah, that
boom,
too.
Boom, boom,
and when they're shooting, no, the shooting. I don't know if Parjani has watched this, but check this out. Okay, when they're shooting, right? These are like arrows which are falling, dude.
Like, yeah, they have light drills behind them, like muskets and pellets, right? It feels like light streak ja raha hai.
So actually, that happens. By the way, Abhishek, that actually happens. I've seen.
For muskets, actually, I doubt it. For muskets, नहीं होगा यार.
नहीं 2x2 का bullet.
But he is guns expert, so he will know.
Yeah, I have handled a 2x2 to handle KS, so I know it is actually travels in an arc. Okay, that's true. But here's the thing. Okay, Vikram Singh का. This is the strategy. Okay, गोली चला रहे. सारे लेट जाओ. Nobody gets hurt.
To your point, if it travels in an arc, तो वो sparkler छोड़ के चाहता है क्या?
No, wait.
It actually does.
The best part is, Anil, when you're talking about them, like नीचे हो जाओ, he asked them to dodge bullets. This lady who is sitting is the only one who gets shot.
It's like लेट जाओ, सब नीचे हो जाओ.
It's pathetic writing, man. Like, you can make fun for it for days. I don't know.
Nothing is thought out.
So a friend of mine
on this level.
A friend of mine had called up.
Cult
one at a time.
Do you think it will reach cult level status? Because
no way, it's not good, man.
It's not good. Cult level में थोड़ा type of camp is acceptable. This takes itself too seriously. हाँ, कुछ तो redeeming factor होना चाहिए. Like Golmaal 3 बहुत चूतिया movie है, ठीक है?
उसमें redeeming factor है यार. Ahana Kumra, okay. Why the hell does she have that used car?
And before Alien 2, I saw Aliens, okay? And they saw that Michael Biehn looked fucking cool
spoilers, okay? Before they can even explain why the scar is there, okay? No, even before they explain why the scar is there, they kill her off, okay? Reason kya hai fir karne? Like you have badass scars.
The best is her introduction to the show. The introduction to her show, her introduction to the show is fantastic. So they show like these hard-boiled, dude, we know you're hard-boiled because you guys are like working as a special ops and you are the only female who works as a special ops barring Suchitra Pillai. I completely understand that. मतलब बेमतलब का वो नया रिक्रूट को वो गाली दे रहा है, तो मादरचोद चुतिया है and all that shit. Like, what is this writing?
By the way, special ops. India में किसी special ops, I don't know where they mix genders. I don't know any special ops.
One more thing, you know why? Because this is set in the same universe as Ghoul, which is in dystopia, मतलब dystopic India में. The thing is, okay, once they start off with a newsreel और नीचे जो ticker tape जाता है ना, over there they write कि Arabic demon co-opt in some place. Like basically they are referring to Ghoul. एक बार दिखाओ ठीक है, Easter egg है, that is the only thing that's running in the ticker tape, so that you notice the Easter egg. Like it's so chutiya. Like first time dikha, I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. Second time, third time, they're repeating it. It's like a long shot. Just spoon feeding. Like kuch bhi chal raha tha yaar. This show like literally stuck.
So like I was saying, a friend of mine had called up. Okay, just when I had started watching the show, he was like, "What are you doing?" and all that. So I was like, "I'm watching this show." He was like, "Why are you watching the show? It's a very chutiya show." I was like, "Why?" And I had no expectations because it's red chilies anyway. So मेरे को ऐसे भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So I asked him like, "What happens?" He was like, "I'll give you one spoiler." He was like, "हाँ." So apparently towards the end there is a cannon, okay, which they shoot. So cannon may apparently these zombies or whatever have some aversion to haldi. So cannon में haldi भर के मारता है भाई.
अरे हल्दी से हल्दी नहीं, okay, mixture of haldi, salt and ash. Okay, this actually happens. It's like, okay, this is one part that I really love. Okay, it's like holy water नहीं है क्या replace करें haldi water ash. They actually throw it at somebody's face, this zombie's face, and zombie is like nahi, it's actually there. Like maybe that can catch on and that'll be the new thing. Like India में holy water नहीं है, वो बोलेंगे हल्दी नमक और ash का mixture है.
तो अब पॉलिटिशियन का जैसे गंगा जल का जेरी कैन लेके जाना चाहिए था गाड़ी में.
No, but if it's set in the same universe as Ghoul, then alternatively it can be set in the same universe as Leela as well. So पानी तो
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah.
All in all,
yeah, it's
avoid
very
this.
disappointing. It's very disappointing that someone like Jason Blum would attach himself to these kind of projects, because see, he has made some really bad films in the past. He has attached himself to really bad projects, but moving on from the past like 2 or 3 years, he's attached himself to really great ones. Fucking Oscar nominated stuff. Like Jordan Peele was nominated for Get Out and it was produced by Blumhouse. Right? So he is someone who picks and chooses his projects very, very carefully. And when I saw his name there, like, Blumhouse Productions, Jason Blum, Shah Rukh Khan and all of that, I was like fucking disappointed. Like, why are you doing with these middle of the ground people?
He should have teamed up with the people from Pari, like the people who did Patal Lok, who genuinely had some experience with horror.
And look at I know we are giving a lot of credit to the Clean Slate people, but the Clean Slate films have actually made a very, very good horror film. If you've not watched Pari, I highly implore you to go and do that, because that is a concept which you have not seen in Indian cinema, right? And that is something which my Muslim friends actually believe in. Shit like this, they actually exist. That is their belief and all of that. I can't comment on that, but that is something which has never been explored in any sort of cinema. So that is a very novel concept, and just because based on that movie worked wonders.
Props to Anushka Sharma.
It was a very disappointing
right?
watch.
Yeah, man.
Props to Anushka Sharma. Props to Anushka Sharma.
Exactly. That woman is just winning in life here. Virat Kohli.
Patal Lok.
Patal Lok.
और क्या चाहिए? और ट्विटर पे गाली.
ए दिल मुश्किल, ट्विटर पे गाली, और क्या चाहिए?
लोगों को कचरा फेंकने से मना कर रहे हैं.
लोग कचरा फेंकने से मना कर रहे हैं. Anyway, so I think we are done. That was our sort of some semblance of a review for Betal. Please don't watch this show.
It's not a
really
spoiler,
not
right? It's
worth your
just
time.
a warning. It's a warning.
It's just a warning.
Yeah, it's not a spoiler alert. It's a warning.
See, at the end of the day, it's you're in a lockdown. This lockdown is going to extend again. Come the first, you have like an entire week to waste. But please waste it watching sometime which you can
watch Mrs. America. Watch Rick and Morty का latest episode. 20 minutes से dinner खाते-खाते हो जाएगा.
Just rewatch something else, man. Just don't waste your time.
And if you're still wondering what to rewatch, there is an entire thread which we started yesterday. So you guys can check all of these great movies and that we are talking about. Siddhi and I are actually commenting and responding to most of the people. So if you want to watch great movies, check out these recommendations which we have put up. I mean, people like Hussain, people like Arindam and all, we keep recommending stuff. And if all else fails, fucking post memes on Film Geeks and start a conversation there. Don't watch Betal. And that does it for this edition of the Film Geeks podcast. There is no FG quiz this week because for reasons. We don't have FG quiz this week. Probably we'll have one next week. Thank you very much for watching along with us. Thank you all people in the comments. And go Corona, Corona, go. Jai Mata Di. See you next week. Bye-bye.